Yo guys, what's up? Today we are gonna go hang out with Daniel and Francis and maybe Josh. Right now we're gonna go to the car wash and Francis is gonna meet me and Daniel there. Daniel's talking on the fucking radio. You interrupted me, you twat. And we're gonna see Francis's new exhaust for the first time. He got a TOMEI Extreme on his WRX. And I'm excited to see that, so stay tuned. So yeah, hopefully this is a cool video. We got Daniel right up there. You can see him in my review mirror. No, this should be fun. I'll try and get as many clips as I can. And yeah, hopefully it's a good video. So enjoy, guys. Straight through the heart. Oh, I made my mistake. It's bloody packed. We gotta wait. Damn it. This girl is just staring at Daniel's car. Oh, that's funny. I see Francis. Oh, that sounds so good already. Oh shit. Cozy. Sheesh. What's up, bro? Oh, damn, that's big as fuck. That's fat. Sounds good, man. It's still got the rumble and shit. Holy shit. That is so sick. Oh shit, TOMEI! Well, Kyle decided to come out. My man. Damn, she's a shiny girl.
No, fuck it. I hate the drugs, but when I use, I love it. A painful love, the kind of pain when no one cares. Addiction, the whispers in my ears. Think you're better than this. I regret to inform. It's your daily routine, bro. This joint is the norm. You say you're getting off, but we've been here before. Here, I'll pass you some cash. You should go get more.
Nice and shiny. My car really needed a wash and she got one. Oh shit. Ah! The door's fucking open. I almost just took his door out.
Oh fuck. Look at the wells on the top of it, they're fucking us.
Bro, I'm feeling so left out. I literally just have my daily and everyone's got their sick cars. Damn. Oh, she didn't pop. Damn it.
Everything about this car is fucking loud. Love it.
Oh!
You got box?
How can I help?
Hey, can I do 2 orders?
Yep.
Yeah.
We'll do the first one.
KFC again. Oh. Yummy.
Oh yeah.
You looking to put it in there? Yeah. Oh shit, that's pretty sick.
TOMEI, for me.
Alright, we're going down to Es Park. We're gonna go play some basketball. Because we haven't really got much stuff to do. And yeah, we both got basketballs in our car, so may as well. Yeah, I'll see you guys there soon. Get ready for some sick
Basketball clips.
We're here. There it is, just there. Let's go. Oh yeah, right here. That's about good. You're on video.
Ow!
Oh shit.
Kobe!
Oh, oh.
Oh, where's she going? Right there.
Oh shit!
Oh yeah, shoot it, shoot it.
Yeah!
Oh shit.
Oh, Kobe! 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 Hey, Kobe! 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 Ah! Oh! 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 Wait! 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 Oh, I'm getting stitched, bro. Fucking bad.
We're done playing basketball. It started raining and there's like a severe weather warning, so yeah, we're all going home. There's no point if it's going to be pissing down because you can't really do much, but yeah, I'll see you guys when I get home. Alright guys, so I'm home now and everyone else went home. It was a fun day. I'm sorry if I didn't film too much, but at least I'm making a video, which is good. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one and thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed and yeah, see you guys. Peace.